So today we are here in a Sims bakery. Hi guys, welcome to the Brothers Review. I'm Jing, the mothers of Darian in Ryuhei. So today we are here now in Ashburton. So here in Ashburton they have a bakery that's very popular here in a small town. So we're gonna show you everything what they have here, and we will talk to the owner. How are you today, Carmen?
I'm good, thank you.
How many years are you working here?
I've been here, well, just 2 years, but I've been away for 15 years.
Yeah.
And so I worked here when I left school.
When you left school?
Yeah, for about 15 years, and then went to Christchurch for a while, and I've just been back for a couple of years.
Yeah.
Just to take over and run the business.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Wow. So guys, this is Carmen. So we're going to show us the inside look of the bakery. Alright, so
yeah, all our sweet things on this one. It's all chilled.
Yeah. So they're very popular.
Yeah, the cream buns, probably the most popular.
Cream buns.
Cream buns at the bottom.
That's the cream buns.
Cronuts are very popular.
The cronuts. So we have here apple turnover. So what you got there, Darian? Cupcake. So they have very popular breeds. Most of them are really popular. So this is the wholemeal.
Wholemeal mixed grain.
Wholemeal mixed grain.
The multigrain, which is a low GI breed.
So this is normal. Let's just open it.
Yeah, we leave it open so the customers might want it sliced.
Oh, they want sliced.
Yeah, so we can. We've got some already sliced.
You can slice.
Take it to the counter and we can slice it for them, and then we'll seal it.
Yeah. So this here is just chilled
Cakes and family pies. These are good for take-home dinners, quick and easy dinner.
Quick and easy
Nice
dinner.
pizzas. Vegetarian option.
Oh, so they have a vegetarian here as well.
Yes. And we have vegetarian quiche.
Vegetarian quiche.
Bacon quiche as well. And lots of family pies. They're very popular.
It's very easy to just drop by here and just quick, easy food for dinner. And of course we have a special carrot cake here. And they actually have cakes for birthdays.
Just take home and yeah, we have them ready to go.
Yeah, the cakes is just actually they can order here the cakes as well, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that's for birthdays, parties, and any occasion.
Yeah.
Cool. So they have here
frozen savouries.
frozen. So they have a frozen as well, or you can just preheat and eat it.
And muffin.
And Sultana biscuit is very popular because I love it so much. Yeah. I love to eat that. Yeah, they have the chocolate pocky. They're very tasty and super yummy. They have a muffins here as well, blueberry muffins. So this is here. They actually very busy every day. So in the time like afternoon, they are almost run off the food here, the products here. So they have a coffee here. At 2:30, it's done. Yeah. The sandwiches. Yeah. So you better come up here early because you're just putting a new one.
Buys a pie and a drink, most people.
Oh, okay. Yeah. It's very nice that they have a drink here as well. They make the bread here and they are making their own sandwich as well. So this sandwiches here is very popular too and not so healthy. Alright, so this is the pie, the very proudly pie of Sims Bakery.
Yep.
So what
below would be the mince and cheese.
Mince and cheese. Some pizza here. What is your favorite there, Carmen?
My favourite, probably steak or steak and cheese. Yeah.
That's New Zealand.
Yes.
Really love meat. Yes. Steak, that's so yummy.
And the trucker's pie is named because we have lots of truck drivers coming in and they want a nice big pie for their lunch. So that's fine for them.
So that's all trucker's pie.
Yeah, they're a bigger pie and a steak, cheese and bacon.
So potato top. Super delicious, right? So you are just only doing here in Ashburton?
Just the shop is only Ashburton, but we do sell wholesale to Timaru and Geraldine, as far as Fairley. Yeah, they get sent down on the truck.
What time are you starting open the
We open at 5 o'clock in the morning.
5 o'clock, yeah.
Yeah, we get a lot of travellers coming through at that time. People start work early, so yeah, open till 5:30 at night.
5:30.
As well, yeah.
All right.
So it's a long day.
It's a long day.
Yeah.
So are you guys doing all week?
Monday to Saturday, so
Saturday.
close Sundays. Yeah.
Close on Sunday.
Yeah, and Saturdays we're open from 8 till 2, so it's just shorter day on Saturday.
Saturday is 8 to 2.
Yeah.
And then we are going to eat some of the yummy food here, and if you guys want to come up here Monday to Saturday, and no, they are closing on Sunday, so please don't come on Sunday, but they are open Monday to Saturday. They have a lovely staff as well, and very nice place to come. This one smells good already. Really very much delicious. Alright, so we are going to try the pie. So this one is, what is this one? This one probably the mushroom pie here. See? So if you come here, just buy food, and then you can sit down outside and you can eat it. There's the mushroom. Gorgeous. That's very nice flavor. Alright, so we were going to try this trucker's pie. So this very popular trucker's pie. Wow, look at the pie. Ooh.
Let me
Wow.
Let me Mommy?
See?
Wow.
That's because so many trucks stop here to buy, and they have their own name, trucker's pie. So look at that, trucker pie. So good. Or just like beef. Actually so good. This one is so yummy. So this one is a mushroom pie. Ooh, look. It's a mushroom pie. Ooh, mushroom. So they have a bits of mushroom there. Oh, meat is so big. Big meat. Very meaty. And this is so delicious. So yummy. Wow. Special pie, eh? Alright guys, so that's all the tour today for inside of the bakery shop, inside the Sam's Bakery here in New Zealand, Ashburton. So if you guys new to our channel, please subscribe and push the notification down below so you will notify of our new video coming. We download every Friday 5 AM here in New Zealand time, and we were gonna show you some different things here in New Zealand, and we have so many lineups to you guys to watch, and that is very exciting, and we were wanted to share that to you, what we have here in New Zealand. So if you want something to see in New Zealand, comment down below so we can see, and we will try to do that next. We'll see you guys in the next video. Share the love, peace, be awesome and stay cool. Bye.